Life's 6 rules for success. Trust yourself. Break some rules. Don't be afraid to fail. Ignore the naysayers. Work like hell. Give something back. Actions will always speak louder than words. Next time someone tries to convince you that they care, look at what they do, not what they say. If an egg is broken by an outside force, life ends. If broken by an inside force, life begins. Great things always begin from inside. Never reply when you are angry. Never make a promise when you are happy. Never make a decision when you are sad. Be careful with people who avoid self-reflection and accountability. If they can't be real with themselves, they won't be real with you either. If you don't know your own worth and value, don't expect someone to calculate it for you. Open your closed mind. Close your open mouth. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Just because we cut the connection doesn't mean we hate the person. We cut it for a reason that may bring peace to us and to them. You can forgive some people without welcoming them back into your life. Being angry and bitter can destroy you mentally. Focus on you. People come and go. If you don't let go of the wrong people, you'll never meet the right people. Don't beg for replies and attention. If someone is ignoring you, just maintain the distance and treat them as they treat you. There comes a day when you realize letting go is the best feeling, because you'll realize there are so many beautiful things to do. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. Sometimes we need to make decisions that will hurt us deeply, but will give us tranquility and peace. Develop the humbleness to apologize. When you are wrong, there is no place for ego in your life. Winners focus on winning. Losers focus on winners. There are 2 types of pains. One that hurts you, and the other that changes you. It's nice when someone remembers the smallest details about you, not because you keep reminding them, but because they care. When you ask for growth, don't be surprised when life gives you challenges. Keep calm, because nothing lasts forever. If you want to attract him, talk to him like this. Speak with confidence and clarity, showing that you believe in what you're saying. Show genuine interest in what he says, listen carefully, and ask thoughtful questions. Keep the conversation light and positive, avoiding heavy or negative topics. Be authentic and true to yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you're not.